This is how you refill a flash stamp. Pull out the refill cap, prepare the ink, slowly drip a few drops of ink into the chamber, replace the refill cap, and that's it. Just in case you own this type of stamp, nowadays this kind of stamp is what stamp makers are selling. It is custom made, and this kind of stamp no longer relies on a stamp pad, but rather you would have to fill the reservoir with an ink. And as you can see, that's how I remove the refill cap. And now that the chamber or the reservoir is exposed, you will have to refill the chamber quickly, or otherwise the sponge at the bottom of the chamber could dry up. Slowly drip 5 to 10 drops of flash stamp ink into the ink chamber, like what I'm doing right now. And once you're done, cover the ink bottle and replace the refill cap. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.